Hi guys, welcome to Jibs Tagaban RC channel. Today, I'll be trimming this CD case to put inside of this windows here, so that it will look like a real one. These are the CDs. It's gonna be my windows. So for the middle one, they're gonna be full closed, and the other side is gonna be also full closed. On the passenger side, 3/4 closed, I think, and then on the driver side, it's 1/4 closed. Okay, so now I'm done cutting this. This is for the front, the middle, and this is for the third row, the cargo area. This will be used on the front windshield, and this is for the back windshield. So right now I'm gonna be sanding them using this sanding paper. Okay, so I'm already done sanding. So the next stage that I will do is I'm gonna put double-sided tape on each edge so that it will stick on the body. Okay, so now I'm done putting the double-sided tape. They are ready to be installed, but before that, I need to cut this third row, the back side window, and the other side, also this one, the front windshield. Okay, so I just finished cutting the windshields, the back, the front, and the third rows. Quick tips guys, when you peel it off, don't peel it completely, so that you can still reposition whenever you put it in a wrong way. This is our finished product. So as you can see here, the front windshield is now clear. You can see the driver. And here, it's 1/4 closed. Here, it's fully closed. The third row is also clear. The back is clear, so you can see the driver. I hope this tutorial will make your rigs more realistic, more scale. Let me know what you think about this project. Comment down below. Stay tuned for more updates and upgrades or trails that I'll be posting on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I hope you like this one. Thanks.